Welcome to Log E, a module of AOK. In this video, we'll show you how to navigate your hand receipts catalog. We're currently at the Log E homepage and we're going to navigate to Bravo Company's hand receipt as an example. I'll click on the three vertical dots that align with Bravo Company's hand receipt and click on Catalog. As you can see here, it gives me a large view of everything in my hand receipt. So let's get oriented to all that's here on the page. At the top on the header, along the left side, there's a back button that'll take us back to the home page. In the middle is the hand receipt's name, and next to that is a collapse and expand button. Notice when I press the button, I can see everything down to the serial number level. And next we have filter. I can use that to show only certain items based on their tags or by the sub-hand receipt. So let's say I want to see everything that's broken in my hand receipt. I can click on the broken tag, click apply, and boom, I can see everything now that's broken on my hand receipt according to the tags. Let's say I want to go back to my normal view. I'll deselect broken, click apply, and everything goes back to normal. One of the more useful and popular features is the search bar. Let's say I want to find where the television is. I click on search bar, type in television, and I'm shown that result with details about any televisions in my hand receipt. Let's say I want to find where a certain LIN number is. I can just type in the LIN number and that LIN number pops up. Okay, so let's say I want to tag multiple items. From here, I'll click the expand button. You don't have to, but in this case, I want to see specific serial numbers, and I'm just going to click on the image and then select. Let's say I want to select everything. I'll click on the menu that popped up at the bottom and click select all, and that selects everything on my hand receipt. Now let's select the two items that we had earlier and explore this bottom menu. As you can see on the right side, there's a clipboard icon. If I click on this clipboard, a menu pops up, and this enables me to generate a 2062 or a 1750. Okay, so if I look to the right of that clipboard, I'll see three vertical dots and another menu pops up. This enables me to select a spreadsheet based by NSN or by the item. And I can also assign selected items to a sub-hand receipt, which is described further in another video. And then I can also tag multiple items. In this case, let's tag multiple items. Let's say we're packing out and these two items are staying. I will click on tag multiple items and then check stay. Then click save, and now every item that I selected has a stay tag on it. So that's how you navigate in our catalog. We'll go over more specific options in later videos. Hope to see you there.